get chops. Okay. I just realized I was recording that whole time. Sorry, I just came down the stairs and I'm obese, so can't breathe. But anyway, here's a sashimi. So I got some frozen sashimi. Yes, it's actual sashimi grade tuna, like it's, or a salmon, sorry. It's not the just tuna that I took out of the freezer and called it sashimi, okay? But anyway, this was $20, but I got 3 fillets, so this is 1 fillet. So that's what that looks like. And I got a little bit of rice and put some, rice vinegar in it. And I got some wasabi and some soy sauce. I do have asthma, by the way. So, I'm gonna put some on here. Ew, girl. I'm sorry. I had to remake my whole YouTube channel. Because Google. Almost fire. Sorry, I gotta move my wig. But anyway. The wasabi, I usually don't like wasabi, but it goes really good with this sashimi. This is actual Japanese wasabi, by the way. Starting a new YouTube channel reminds me of like starting a new job. It's like, who the fuck are you people? I don't know, because it's nobody I know. You know? But yeah. So these came pre-cut from Meijer. In the frozen section, it was, I believe, 20 something plus tax. 20 plus tax, probably. I'm just gonna throw all the wasabi on there, because honestly, I usually don't like it, but this one tastes good. And it says right here, all natural wasabi, Japanese. So yeah, just so you know, wasn't shitting you. So cute. Look how cute that is. I think I like it better without rice. Not gonna lie, but that's fine. No, I'm not Mexican. I'm just wearing a wig. By the way, if you were wondering. All I had today was salad and some veggies, so I've been good. But I'm really angry because, yeah, I had to restart my whole YouTube. This is the third time that it happens every few years, I swear. The first channel I deleted. The second channel's still up, but I just can't access it now. So I had to make a new one again. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? So there's that. And then I have some alcohol. It's rum, lemonade, some black cherry syrup, and that's it. I'm supposed to be going to the bar tonight with my friends to Dayton, but we'll see, because I don't know. I look like a weird Mexican Dora with long hair. I'm scared. I really am. I'm frightened. Am I supposed to look like that? Am I what they call a Chicano? What do they call it? I don't speak Spanish, okay? Look, I'm Hispanic, but I don't speak Spanish. I'm Puerto Rican, and my hair is curly. I'm wearing a wig. You can look at my old YouTube channel if you want to see what I made. I have hundreds of videos. I did gaming videos, I did ASMR videos, I did fashion videos, I did everything. And I can't access it, so I'm pretty pissed. But it's fine. It's a new leaf. A new leaf of shit. And I'm just like, wow. You know, that really happened. I really lost all my shit because of Google. Google, you are retarded. I can't access my account. It's my account. Hello, I don't have a phone number anymore. I got a new phone. And it won't let me access it because I don't have that phone with me. That's so dumb. And I can't access my backup email because my backup email requires another phone that I don't have anymore. What am I supposed to do, huh? So this one has my mom's email on it. Hopefully, it won't get lost again. But yeah, that's my video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.